In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the shipping address on Amazon before placing an order. This is particularly useful if you need your purchases delivered to a different location, whether you're sending a gift or temporarily staying somewhere else. To make sure everything goes smoothly, let's walk through the steps one by one. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Amazon website. Once you're on the site, log into your account if you haven't done so already. Your account is where all your settings and preferences are saved, including your shipping addresses. After you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the web page. Here you'll find Account and Lists. Go ahead and click that. This menu holds everything related to your account, from orders to payment methods. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. In this section, look for your addresses. Clicking this will bring up a list of all the addresses associated with your account. This page is crucial because it's where you'll manage the addresses Amazon will use for delivery. Once you're on the Your Addresses page, take a look through the list to find the address you want to edit. Each address will have an Edit button next to it. Click Edit next to the address you wish to change. This is a fantastic opportunity to ensure that everything, including street number, apartment details, and postal code, is accurate. When you're in the editing mode, you'll see fields where you can modify the details. Make all necessary updates here. If you're moving or want to add a new address entirely, this page is where you can do that. After you've made your changes, don't forget to save them. There should be a Save button or equivalent to confirm your revisions. This step ensures that your new information is stored in Amazon's database. Remember that changing your address here updates it for future orders, but doesn't automatically change the shipping address for existing orders. To ensure everything is correct, check your updated address next time you make a purchase, just before checkout. And there you have it, a clear, step-by-step process to updating your shipping address on Amazon before placing an order. It's straightforward once you know where to click and can save you a lot of time and hassle in the future, especially if you regularly change locations or send gifts. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping! If this was helpful or you have questions, feel free to ask, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.